How's it going, everybody? So in this video, I'm going to talk about how to get six-pack abs while intermittent fasting. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel. If you guys haven't already, I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. To get six-pack abs, it's not too difficult with intermittent fasting. The thing with intermittent fasting is all it is you're just not eating food for a certain period of time. And then when you do eat the food, generally you have a fasting window. So generally the most common fast is going 16 hours without food and then eating for those 8 hours. I have tried intermittent fasting and it's just something that I do not enjoy. I like having constant energy throughout the day. And what I found is with intermittent fasting, I still get hunger pains. Generally what happens with intermittent fasting is if you do it for say a couple of weeks, your body does get used to the hunger pains and generally you won't get it as often. I've done it for a couple of months and I still get the hunger pain. So it's just something that you have to deal with. But again, intermittent fasting can work. Again, to actually see six-pack abs, you need to be at a pretty low body fat percentage. So with intermittent fasting, what can happen is that you generally won't eat as many calories because when you do finally go to eat when you're on intermittent fasting, you're just not as hungry as opposed to if you ate all day, you're constantly eating. So you can get six-pack abs with intermittent fasting. It does work, but you can also get six-pack abs too without intermittent fasting. I definitely think intermittent fasting is awesome for some people, and for other people, it's just not as good for. I do a very, very physical job, and my job really requires me to have constant energy throughout the day. I have tried intermittent fasting, doing it, and it was an absolute nightmare. So it depends on what you're doing. Honestly, if I was working at a desk job all day, I would probably do intermittent fasting. On the weekends, I generally do intermittent fasting. I will skip breakfast and I'll just have lunch and supper. Sometimes I'll skip sometimes I'll skip breakfast and lunch and just have supper. So I do follow intermittent fasting on the weekends, but just not during the week. So just something I recommend. It is still possible to get six-pack abs. You just need to make sure that you guys track the calories that you're eating, and this will help you get abs. So end of video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already.